So as a sales leader, some of you on the call, I'm pretty sure these questions came to your mind or some of your team members' mind, right? And these are the discussion topics, right? How do we plug the data gaps? Sometimes a marketing system generates the lead, a phone system identifies a little bit of, this particular prospect spent 30 minutes on the call, but that information was lost. Or maybe an agent captures a little more insight by understanding what are the needs of the customer, but maybe that is not, translated and integrated back into the lead gen systems, right? So the first thing that we are going to be talking about is how do we address the data gaps. And then later we are going to be talking about, how do we maximize the lifetime value of the leads by enriching with missing data points. And how do we prioritize, which is, the main topic of the call. How do we identify this lead is going to convert with, let's say 60% probability, and we should spend a lot of time in converting that versus some other lead converting at, let's say 2% probability, right? And we want to deprioritize that, still follow up, but maybe at a lesser priority, right? So these are many questions, right? How do we focus on the right leads? How do we make the right offers and ultimately grow sales, but grow sales in a profitable, predictable way, right? So these are questions. I'm pretty sure you all have these questions directly for yourself and for your teams, right? So let's address some of these things. One thing I want to highlight is there is tremendous opportunity. If we can truly understand every lead and truly personalize, this lead needs the right price. This lead needs, a premium product. That lead is, extremely long lifetime value. If we have the foresight to understand all of this and personalize based on their needs with the right offers, McKinsey says, 40% more revenue on top of everything that you're generating, right, can be derived from these things. And good news, with all the maturity that we are seeing, interestingly, before this call, I was talking with Brandon, chit-chatting a little bit. This webinar is happening coincidentally the day after NVIDIA results for the last 4 quarters. And yesterday, NVIDIA results came out, how we are, seeing, all these, AI models picking up, and there's, a lot of buzz about AI. And we are super happy about it because we started working on AI models like 10 years ago and have been helping subscription businesses over the last 10 years and perfected these models to help, many subscription companies, not just with lead scoring and lead conversions, but with many other lifetime value growth scenarios. But the key to remember here is if we can truly understand every lead and match it with right offers and spend the right amount of time on converting, 40% additional revenue to be generated. And AI is absolutely business ready to help.